Hello children, welcome back to online class. So in previous class we had done question and answers of the Elite for the Palace lesson. Today we are going to do the grammar part, that is in exercise starts from question number D. So let us start children. Or if you take out your textbook, page number 17, look at the question number D. Circle the odd word in each set. So here question is, you have to circle the odd word in each set. Okay, so first 4 words has been given here. We have to find the odd one from these 4 words. First word is what? Cold. Second word is freezing. Third word is chilled. And fourth word is hot. We have to find the odd one from these words. So if we have to find it out, at first we have to know what? The meanings of it. So first, cold. C-O-L-D, cold means we know that thanda. Freezing. Freezing means also very, very cool. Okay. Chilled. Chilled means also cold. So here last word is hot. What do we mean by hot? Hot means garamo. So here the odd one is what? It is hot. So circle it. H-O-T, hot. Now we are going to the next one. First word is kind. K-I-N-D. Kind means dayalu, bhalla. Friendly. Friendly also means when one person is good with heart, he is friendly to us, means he helps us, he is with us in every good and bad situation. So it is also the same meaning, relatable with kind. Mean, M-E-A-N, mean means matlabi, means that person only talk to you when he needs anything from you. Selfish. Okay, mean means selfish. And third word, helpful. Helpful means same meaning as friendly and kind. So here the different word is mean. M-E-N, mean. So circle it. Okay. Next one. Question number 3. Hide. Hide means luchiba. Search. Search means to find out. Seek. Seek means what? Seek means to ask. Hunt means to sikar kariba. So here search, hunt and seek are relatable because hide means luchi jiba, but search means find out, hunt means seek. Hunt, if we want to hunt anything, we have to find it out. Seek means ask. Okay, so here 3 words are relatable with each other, but this word hide is not relatable with these 3 words, so it is different. Next, blaze. Blaze means what? If means blaze means a very large or fiercely burning fire. Okay, blaze means fire. So next, flame. Flame also means a small fire. Gloom. Gloom means dark side. So next one, glow. Glow means also a little amount of fire. When any lightning or fire comes, we see glow. So here these 3 words are relatable with each other, but gloom means dark side. So it is different from these 3 words. So circle Gloom. Gloom. Okay. Now we came to the next one, that is question number E from page number 18. Match the words that go together. So here we have to match the words which is relatable with each other. So first one has done for us bitter, cold. Okay. So bitter, cold. So bitter, cold means what? A strong, pungent taste. So bitter, cold. Next one is burning. Burning what? Burning girl or burning stars or burning fire or burning night. We can relate with what? It is burning fire. Next one, little. Little, little. So little girl. Next, dark. Dark night, twinkling stars. So I hope all of you understood it. Again I will do burning fire, little girl, dark night, twinkling stars. Okay. Now we will see the next one. Look up a dictionary. You will notice that the words are given in alphabetical order. B comes after A and C comes after B. P comes after O and Q comes after P, and so on. This is known as the alphabetical order. If you want to know the meaning of appear, you will find it in the group of word beginning with A. You can look up below in the group of words beginning with B and so on. So children, as we saw in the dictionary, as we see in the dictionary, how dictionary has been arranged each and every word in alphabetical manner. Like that only we have to do this exercise. We have to arrange these words in alphabetical manner. Here words has been given jumbled. We have to unjumble it. We have to put each and every word in alphabetical manner. Okay? Like dictionary. In dictionary, our first page of dictionary starts with which word? A. So if you want to see any words that comes with A, you have to search it in A. And if you want to search any word which comes with B, you have to search it after B. Like that only in our dictionary, each and every word has arranged in alphabetical manner. Okay, we have to arrange these following words like that. So let us go. Question number F. Write each set of words in alphabetical order. So here in first question, house, palace, tent and castle. These four words has been given. It has not put in alphabetical order. We have to put it, children. Okay. So what will be the first word if we will put it in alphabetical manner? We will start with A. Okay. So from A, here no word has been given. Then B, no. C, yes. For C, one word has given. It is castle. Then you have to write this word at first, castle. After that, which word will come? See, D is not there, E is not there, F is not there, G is not there. Now H. Yes, H for house. This word will come after castle. After house, which word will come? IJKLMNOP. So third word is palace. Now fourth one is obviously tent. Like this you have to write each and every word. At first you will write castle, after that house, after that palace, and after that tent. Now the next one, quarreling, coal, porridge, flames. So which word will come first? Coal. Yes, write coal at first, after that flames, after that porridge, after that quarreling. Now we will go to the next one. First we'll start with A, ant. Second word is bee. Third word fly. Fourth word ladybird. Okay, so you have to write these words by arranging like this. Now the next one, fourth one, first word is bunch. Second word is flower. Third word is leaf, and fourth word is stem. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this alphabetical manner. In next class we will do the remaining exercise. We will start from grammar fun. Okay, until then you all do these exercises in your rough notebook. Try to understand each and every word. Okay, children, have a good day.